morning, you guys. So right now, okay, actually, wait, let me start off. Today's prom day. It's my senior prom. I'm really excited. Can you tell I lost a Polaroid? It fell down right there. It's about 10 o'clock right now. I'm packing up my stuff to get ready at my friend's house. I don't know when I'm leaving, but I was like, I'm gonna pack up right now. I'm also packing up my stuff. I'm literally like, I'm gonna sleep over at my other friend's house. Right now, we're trying to figure out plans for what we want to do after prom, and it's become really confusing, actually. Like, yeah. Should I play that prom, like, High School Musical song? Getting ready for the night, I'm with Sam. We just picked up our corsage boutonnieres, and they look so good. That's Sam's. Oh, here, I'll move. Okay. Oh, that's Sam. And then this is Keegan's. That's my corsage, and then my boutonniere. Right there. It's so cute. So cute. It's so cute. So initially I was going to get ready at Allie's house with Allie, the other Allie, and Sam. But I just don't like getting ready at other people's houses. I know that sounds weird, but like I just feel like it's a lot of work bringing all my stuff over there. And I feel like my makeup always looks really horrible when I get ready at other people's houses because I don't have like a mirror and all my stuff. And like what if I forget something? And I feel like it would just be easier to get ready here. So I'm gonna get ready at my house. But I left the flowers, like the corsage and boutonniere, at Sam's house because I thought like we were gonna be getting ready together. But I changed my mind, so I need to go get those. I asked her when I should get them. She hasn't responded yet. Oh, my date poster he used to ask me is literally just like crumbled in my corner because I didn't know where to put it. Sorry, my bad. I'm probably gonna start getting ready in like 20 minutes ish. I don't want to get ready like too early, but I don't want to get ready too late. This is the progress we have on the makeup. I just wanted like something, well, look at that glow. Ooh. I wanted something just like super glowy and like tan and just like natural. I just didn't want anything that was like too much. I'm gonna do shimmer on my lid and then do some lashes and things like that, but this is the progress we have going on right here. I just picked up the flowers from Sam's house. I literally like left right as she got, I'm not even in the frame. I'm like, hey guys, how are you? Like, what's up? And then my eyes look so blue and I'm tan. I like love it. Pretty happy with how my face makeup turned out. Besides like right there by my nose, it always like collects and I'm just like, why are you like this? Like, why? Look at that glow. Look at that glow. This is the glow, just in case you can't wait for the get ready with me that I'm gonna be doing. So this is, oh, I feel like that's not looking cute. This is the makeup look right here. I actually really liked lips. I wasn't sure about it. If you guys watched my week in the life video, you saw me getting this liquid lip. I really like how it turned out. I think it looks really cute. And I love the lashes. Let's see if there's like a better lighting that I can show you because I'm like into it. I'm feeling myself, you know. Mom, I don't know where she is. Yes, the lashes, nice. The lips, I have like butthole lips though. Like, see, like, loving it. Now I'm gonna go to Kayla's and figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair because I have no idea. And then I'm gonna drop off my stuff. Okay, I just got back. I did my hair. It's like falling out already, but it's not looking too bad right now. It was looking bad a second ago. I think it looks fine. Thanks. I'm very hard on myself. Okay, ready for the dress? This is the dress. It doesn't look that good because my chest is like red.
Keegan, you look fine.
There's the slit.
But if you take a picture from the back, make sure your hair covers your back.
Why? Because my tan line?
Two dope tan lines going on in the back.
Oh, can you show them my back? Yeah, my dress, I don't really like how it kind of goes down in the back. Do you see that? I don't really like that.
I do.
No, like right here. Like I wish it was up high. What am I looking at? Kendall, I do that every day. It's so cute. Okay, I like the ballerina part, but like my tan line. I'm not mad about it. Everyone thinks it's a fake tan, but it's real. I worked hard for that tan. And I earned it, you know?
So yeah, if you're taking a picture, just make sure like if you're taking from the back, make sure your hair covers it.
But I kinda like it. I like it.
You like your tan line?
I like my tan line. I'm proud of it.
I think it looks cute just like that. The way you're standing.
Is my tan, oh my front tan line's not showing. I'm so proud of it. Like I was afraid my like straps, can you kind of see the tan line there? That tan line, I was afraid it was gonna show, but it's not.
The shoes are gonna
These. Baller.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some highlight on my collarbone and like shoulders so I can look bougie. Great, I just ran over my dress with my chair. This dress is like so much longer than I am.
That makes no sense.
Like it's long and like I'm not tall enough, no?
Remember one of your shirts?
But I mean, I guess.
Hi vlog.
Anything else?
We're at prom.
Not yet.
No.
You look, did you get it online?
Yeah,
Is that the one you got online? Yeah. It's cute. Oh, I see your strings. Alright, we're done? We need like a squad pic. Oh, thumbnail.
In the vlog?
Do you want to be in the vlog?
I want to be in the vlog.
Ah! Guys, this is my date. This is her date. Do you guys want to be in the, if you don't want to be in the vlog, that's totally fine. Do you want to say it? If anyone doesn't want to be in the vlog, you can totally say it. Yeah. Hi, everyone. Say hi. Hello, what up, Evan?
Hello.
Hello. Do you have a basketball game tomorrow?
Yes, I do.
Yeah? Combination of a basketball game tomorrow. Cool.
Hey.
Hey. Mom, just hold it.
Keegan, is it on?
Yeah, it's recording.
Yes, I'm Keegan's mom.
Yeah, I know.
Orange Theory Squad.
Oh, is that you?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Hi, say hi. Does anyone not want to be in it?
Oh, what's wrong?
I have rocks in my feet.
The heels. Oh, they're cute.
We're wearing the same shoes. Oh, JK, never mind.
Guys, we should do Guys, I forgot to get. Oh my God, so yes. So, you're hot. You look cute. You're welcome. You look hot. Everyone looks hot. Oh my God, I didn't realize that was a two-piece. That's so cute.
Yeah, that's so cute. Two pieces are kind of comfy.
You look? Yeah.
Me and Kayla. Oh, here we go. Hannah and Kayla all have the same dresses. Here, I'll get you a photo.
Wait, really? That's the exact same dress, just in different colors? Okay, do a spin. Ooh. Work. They're taking pictures of all the guys looking spiffy.
Look at how handsome.
Point out your date. Point out.
Okay. Oh,
What is he? Oh my God.
He's shirtless.
No, that's so mean. That's so mean.
Oh, wait, can we try to do like a selfie? Kind of like
Wait. Okay, bye. Okay.
We have no idea what we're doing here. These girls are so over their shoes already. I love it.
I know, and it's only been an hour. But they don't make comfortable shoes.
No, they don't. Yeah, no.
Or they don't buy comfortable shoes. I don't know.
It's not that sensible thing.
That's right.
so cute.
Look how cute those are down that end.
I love it.
Tony, where's your camera?
I'm taking them, don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, I need everyone to look at me.
Kind of close up. I don't know.
2, 3. Laura, look at me.
It's the quietest they've been.
That's true.
We need that
1, 2, 3. Thank you.
That's cute.
That's a great picture.
Should we just do the girls? All right, girls.
Well, no, she gets mad at me when I do pictures like this. Apparently, like this is not the thing.
Okay, fake laugh. 1, 2, 3.
Apparently.
Oh, you're having so much fun. This is awesome. That's cute. What was that?
I got that photo.
Did you get it? Show me. I didn't.
Who you?
We just finished pictures. My dress is so dirty. This is Newham, my BFF. I made the poster to ask Cheyenne. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're so cute girls.
I'm a vlogger now.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're vlogging now. We're just gonna have a random like
Okay,
silence.
you have to hold it.
Okay.
Dirty. So let's sample. Yeah.
Sam, are you a vlogger?
Dude, I'm such a vlogger. Look at that angle, guys.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Look at it all
Everyone make gang signs.
in it. It's okay, it's alright. So guys, we're going to dinner. Oh, blood, I can do it. You can do it. Sam can do it. Sam can do the blood sign.
I need like a minute to do it.
Okay, Sam, okay.
We can be walking along.
Okay. Sam wants to figure out her blood sign. Yes. Oh, I love the rings. Thank you. Yes.
Oh no.
Sam and I bought.
I have like a little bit of it.
Yes, blood.
Maybe blood go to her house and like come out there now.
Okay, guys, we're gonna roll silverware. Spoon. I don't have spoons at my work when I do this. Fork on top.
That is a big spoon.
You go over. Are you recording this? And then we roll just like this. And then sticky thing goes around. And then there we go. Wow. My first day of my job, I did this for 6 hours.
I just learned so much tonight. Who needs school when you are friends with Keegan Acton? Keegan Acton. What can I say?
You guys want to say something in my vlog? Make it more interesting?
Hi, so
That sucks. That sucks, Newham.
I'll do it.
Allie knows how to roll. Do you want to say hi? Say hi. Other Allie, say hi.
So, we out here, right?
We out here.
We're out here in Buca di Beppo, eating some smack Italian food and
Bread.
We haven't yet. We've only gotten bread. It's really good though. I like water. The water is really clear.
Should I give it to him?
I'm not good at this.
Oh, is it on?
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Wait, how do you zoom in?
I don't know what to say.
Be a vlogger.
I just want to be in the vlog. It's Kayla. It's Hannah. She kind of broke her back. There's Cole.
What about me?
She's the small one of the group. We're kind of secluded from the group. It's okay.
Hey guys, it's about a week later and I just want to apologize. I forgot to end the vlog. Like, just completely forgot. It just kind of went over my head. I'm sorry, forgive me. But prom was super fun. Hung out with some friends afterwards. Had a sleepover. It was like a good time, you know? Fun. Just forgot to vlog it because I'm the worst YouTuber ever. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm uploading a Get Ready With Me really soon on my main channel. So if you have not seen that and you're not watching this video on the day that it's uploaded, go watch that video. I love you guys so much. Let me know if you want more senior related things. Like this is my senior prom. If you want like my graduation or senior night or baccalaureate or all that stuff, like let a girl know. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.